Hi, my name is Alex Jones. I'm the PYP coordinator here at Enishi International School, and one of the things I value most is students taking action to make impact in the world around them. And one of the things that we started many years ago by one of our former grade 5 teachers was a thing called a yen war. And what it is an opportunity for students to compete to see which class can raise the most money to go to a certain cause. And we did it just randomly, hoping that the learners would get something out of it. But what we discovered is that it was a very popular event. And the next year, the next grade 5 class decided they wanted to do it as well. And for some reason, it's just a tradition that has never gone away. All right, everyone, so here we are in the midst of our yin war. It's an annual action our students take to help the world around them. This month, we're focused on the learner profile of caring. It is wonderful to see our learners caring so much, and this year we decided to help those that were affected by the Ishikawa earthquake. The learners have raised so much money. It's our final day, and it is always an exciting and learning engagement that we do with our learners. At Enishi, we want our students to have voice, choice, and ownership, and when they do, they take action and make a big difference in the world, no matter how old they are. Good job, Eagles.
Yeah.
So it's very lovely. Over the years, we've donated to UNICEF, Saving the Gorilla Funds that help in the Democratic Republic of Congo. Yeah, and that's a really amazing thing. We've also donated to a very popular YouTuber's program called Team C's, and that's also been something the kids have really liked. This year, our learners really identified the need going towards the people affected by the earthquake that hit on New Year's Day in Ishikawa Prefecture.
Major earthquake hitting Japan. Japanese leaders have dropped the highest level tsunami alert, but it's telling people who live in coastal areas not to return to their homes.
So we're just excited to see what we're going to do. Today is the final day of our yen war. So the learners will be coming in here, grade 4 and 5, and they will be counting together to get the total amount of negative and positive coins. And so that will make a sum total of points, and then we will find out who wins later this afternoon. So it's a very exciting time for the kids. Thank you. Get to work. I need total positives and total...